At last, a new game-changing event for coaches, consultants and professional business owners who want to increase leads into their business and learn how to use a proven marketing strategy to create faster and bigger growth. I'm Leon Street, and on the 26th of April 2018 in Birmingham, for one day only, I will become your exclusive marketing coach at Vortex Live, taking you through the key areas of marketing in your business so that you can target wildly successful results. You'll be able to create a proven way to generate clients and remove the hassle of wondering where your next lead will come from. Discover how to offer your services confidently to new prospects so you can take your income to the next level. And finally, put yourself in a position where things are going your way and headed towards wherever your goals lead you. But let me say this for the record, this is a must-attend workshop. And finally, a warning: if you want to generate leads and sales without the guesswork approach, you'll follow the exact steps on the day at this exclusive workshop for 15 committed coaches. Simply visit the link below this video now, fill in your details and gain immediate access to the full workshop details. But remember guys, the spaces are limited. I look forward to seeing you there. Take care.